My name is Ngô Phu Nhịp An. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Vietnam.
My name is Trần Quốc Chính. You can call me Trist, and I'm 17 years old. And I also from Vietnam too.
Everything was good. The friend and teacher here were very friendly. Especially the teacher also helped me to improve my English a lot.
This is amazing in here, and the weather, the condition, and the quality of the lesson and teacher was us friendly.
My favorite subjects here is writing because when I first come here, my writing is very bad. But the teacher here really helped me to improve my writing, and they really helped me a lot.
The most favorite lesson here is speaking skill. I can speaking with the teacher and to improve my communication skill. Oh yes, I speak English every day, so my communication skill is quite good.
I think my English is getting improved and in a positive way because they in here in the school the teacher help us to speak English more and express myself more in English. So it's really helped me a lot.
You guys have learned new vocab throughout a few days here.
Yes, yeah, a lot.
How it helped?
Like when I do writing, I don't use a lot of new word and it's just boring. But now when I learn here, the teacher give me a lot of new vocabulary and my writing start to improve. I will tell my friend and my family that this summer camp is like incredible. Like everyone is friendly and they help me to express myself, my emotions, a lot of interesting activities to do. So you must try to come here.
I will tell my friend if you had a chance to go abroad, you need to try it.
Definitely, because I also want my friend to experience like me, and they want to know about the world, and like they want to travel and they want to know more about English. So I definitely recommend them to come to this summer camp.
Oh yes, the communication skill is very important today, and the one way to improve that skill to go to a new place to enhance the speaking skill.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.